Hi there! So I know you know what I am holding right now, and this is my 18K Saudi Gold ring I purchased online. So for me, no, personally, ako lang to, I highly recommend bumili kayo sa TikTok shop. It's because naka-free shipping na po sila doon, and then maraming vouchers talaga na maa-avail mo para maka-discount ka sa iyong purchase. So I'd like to point out also na kapag bumili ka online, make sure talaga na chine-check mo yung legitimacy ng seller. So for me, no, I recommend na dun po kayo bumili sa mga sellers na kilala na or marami ng mga bumibili sa kanila. It's because proven and tested na po sila. So, ayan, no, I'd like to mention some sellers, no. So hindi ko ma-mention lahat, but to mention some, we have the MGM Gold Jewelry, we have the Dear Carats, we have the Marigold, we have Sinag Gold Jewelry, we have Marge Gold, we have Amari Gold. So, ayan po. Proven and tested na po yan sila. And then, ano po talaga, when you buy that 18K Saudi Gold you've been wanting to have, it's better po to buy it on live selling, and then dapat naka-flex po yan kasi po nagbibigay po ng discounts yung seller po dyan. And then, ayan, for example po, kapag pumunta na po kayo sa live selling, important things you need to ask po is, especially pag rings, important things you need to ask is, ilang grams po yan. And then, tanungin nyo po yung details, front and back. Ayan o, front and back. So, this is a Medusa ring, nakadaya cut po yan. So, makinang po yan, nagniningning pag ginagamit. So, for this one, I don't recommend this for daily use because of its design na pwede siyang masabit. Accidentally masabit po yan. So, mapuputol yan. Kapag sinangla mo yan, maglo-lower na yung value niyan kasi deformed na and may defect. So, ayan. So, I just have this for for occasional use lang. Hindi ko siya dini-daily use kasi tatakot akong maputol ba. Kasi I have another ring po kasi na ginawa ko siyang daily use and then lightweight lang po yun. Ano po siya, naputol po siya and then ayun, when sinangla ko na po siya is nasa lower value na po talaga siya kasi putol na. So ayun, sinangla ko na lang dun po at hindi ko na talaga inano kasi putol na po kasi. And then ayan po. So when you purchase din online, make sure talaga na for saan mo siya gagamitin. Dalawa lang kasi na yung purpose niyan for I think tatlo, for collection, for occasional use, and then for daily use. Kasi kapag daily use po talaga is humana po kayo ng mas mabigat. Yun po. And then so again, I think yun lang. And then ayan, so how does the value of gold increases? So, according to Google, no, ayan, no, check natin dito, no, how does the value of gold increases? So, the demand for gold, the amount of gold in the central bank reserve, the value of the US dollar, and the desire to hold gold as a hedge against inflation, and the currency devaluation all help drive the price of the precious metal. So, ayan, no, and then again, according to Google daw, as the US dollar value increases, the value of gold decreases. So naka-opposition po daw sila, vice versa. And then, ayan o, what is inflation in simple terms? Inflation is the rate of increase in prices over a given period of time. So, or typically, a broad measure such as the overall increase in the prices or the increase in the cost of living in a country. So, yun lang po yung mga basic na tinanong natin sa Google. So, yan po lahat doon according to Google. So, again, I hope wala akong na-miss out na i-point out before you decide to buy, no, that product you've been wanting to have. And then, for me lang, no, is talagang nag-mature na tayo kasi live selling na ng gold yung pinupuntahan natin. Hindi na yung mga ready-to-wears na mga pang-attires natin dyan. Kasi this, the value of this appreciates over time. So, I'd like to tell you also lang po, no, na kapag meron kayong mga example, naputulan po kayo ng kwintas, naputulan kayo ng singsing at gusto nyo ng ibang item, you can go to pawn shops po. Kasi po, kahit naputol po yan, kahit may defects, is binibili po nila yan. Kasi pwede naman kasing natutunaw yung gold and then panibagong form, gagawin siya ng panibagong form, pwede naman yun. So, ayan po, again, tinatanggap po ng pawn shops yung mga defects or naputol or na-deformed nyo na mga items na gold. So, ayan, I think wala naman, mayroon pa ba akong na-miss out, no? So, yun lang. When you buy lightweight product, no, especially this ring, especially like that, no, is manage your expectations lang talaga na kapag lightweight po yan, is hindi po yan masyadong matigas. So, kailangan niya ng extra careful. Ayan. Be extra careful when using this. Ayan, oh. So, ayan. I got this from Dear Carats. And then, if you still wanna buy this, gusto mo na for occasional use, and then, kung gusto mo siya ng daily use, it's really up to you. But I'd like to remind you to be extra careful. So, kung gusto niyo po itong bilhin, kung saan ko ito nabili, ilalagay ko na lang po yung yellow basket po dyan. So, ayan o. This is a Diacut Medusa ring. I got this from Dear Carats. So, ayan no. And then, may paparating na naman na 11-11, 12-12. Mapapa-check out ka na naman dyan. So, more discounts sa TikTok. So, bakit ko na-recommend dito sa TikTok? Kasi naka-free shipping talaga siya, guys. Maraming voucher. Yun lang. As in, talaga, ever since talaga, kahit anong bilhin ko sa TikTok na talaga ako bumibili kasi, yung mga shippings, mababa, and then, basta good deals talaga. And then, ayan, believe ako sa iyo kasi gold na yung pinipili mong, bilhin ngayon. Hindi na yung mga, yung mga luho, yung mga damit na hindi naman natin nabibenta, hindi naman natin nasasangla. So, ito, nasasangla kasi natin. So, ayan. This is really nice. So, ayan. Again, if you want this, just check out in the yellow basket. I'll just include dyan sa yellow basket. So, I think yun lang, guys. I hope, wala akong na-miss out na i-point out. So, this is, guys, this is 0.8 grams. And then, nabili ko ng 2,750. And then, nasasangla din po siya ng close sa 2,750. So, nasasangla siya ngayon ng, I think, nasa 2,600. So, the last time kasi na chinek ko po ito is nasa 2,400. So, I don't know ngayon kung magkano na siya. So, ayan guys. And then, ayan. So, sa hindi pa naka-follow, please follow. And then, like this video and share this to your friends. Ayan. Again, reminder, please don't po kayo bumili sa mga legit na mga sellers. Kasi wag po tayo magpapa-scam for nowadays so many scammers na. So, just be careful buying online. Ayan. So, I hope nakatulong ako ng some info sa inyo. Bye!